your girl Tiara here, and today I am back with another video. So y'all, today when I say this house needs some TLC, it needs some TLC. Like, this week has been, well, last week was a lot going on. So sorry y'all, my camera died, but yeah, the house is a mess. And y'all see all that laundry, all that laundry.
I watched it.
Yeah, he watched it. So if y'all saw my short, or if
I ain't helping you.
What?
I watched all the laundry, baby girl.
Yeah, he did.
I'm the full.
Yeah, so if you watch my short video, you see that I did the relationship every kind of way challenge. I don't know if that's what it's called, but he did the laundry, so now I gotta put him up. But
No.
he can probably do the living room or something, right?
What? Huh?
You could probably clean the living room since you always out there.
Pero mira, no habla inglés.
So yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning and I'm gonna take you guys along with me. And if you haven't yet, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below if you have some ways to tackle laundry, because I swear it's overwhelming. Like, I feel like by the time I put these clothes up, it's gonna be time to wash laundry again. So yeah, I'm gonna try to clean this whole house up and try to take a nap as well before 2:30. But if not, if I can't finish and take a nap, he's gonna have to pick me up from school. So yeah guys, let's tackle this laundry.
It's another Christmas holiday. It's a joyous thing that the angels sing, 'cause we're together. We've got a thing, can't let it slip away.
Y'all, when I say I am tired, I not only done the laundry part, well, putting up the clothes part. I think I'm gonna just finish cleaning tomorrow, because I'm tired. We have a play date later. I'll probably will vlog that. I'll probably vlog that later. But I finished putting up the clothes. I finished folding the clothes, but now I'm gonna put them up and I'm gonna make me a quick little meal. I'm gonna eat some ramen, some noodles, and I'm gonna put some crab and eggs. Well, imitation crab, eggs, and that's it. But I'm gonna put these clothes up and I'm gonna take a nap because I'm so sleepy. I only slept for like 4 hours. I slept for like 4 hours, so I'm sleepy. So I'm gonna finish putting up the clothes, get me a little snack, and I'm gonna take a nap, and I will see y'all later. Hey y'all, it is the next day, and did I get to clean the house? No. After I put those clothes up, I took a nap, and then, but next thing you know, blinking of an eye, it was already time to do nighttime routine. Anyways, what is that? Oh yeah, we had went to Target yesterday after I played it. But I'm gonna deep clean now since I ate now and I got to relax a little bit. So now I'm just gonna start cleaning because it's just too dirty. I like to usually clean when my daughter is at school or when she's not here, like if my mom pick her up. But she should be going to bed soon. Daddy-o is gonna do her nighttime routine and I'm gonna clean up. So we gotta make teamwork, make the dream work. So that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to start cleaning.
Do that in any of the other dishes, you know I'm taking this back.
Y'all, when I say this is the best cleaner ever, I grew up on Comet, but Barkeeper's Friend, top tier.
It's another Christmas holiday. It's a joyous thing that the angels sing, 'cause we're together. We've got a thing
Hey Siri, how many more days until Christmas?
It's 19 days until then.
Trim the tree. I wanna wrap you up, baby, then to see you're the only present I need. There's so much more waiting for you in store.
That booty. Wait, is someone right there? Please.
You gotta get that.
You gotta get it.
You right now.
Y'all, all of this was under the couch. Like, this what it's like having kids. So that over there is also what she had laying around. But this is her toy area. She broke this drawer, actually. So I need something to open it. This is also another junky drawer. I need to switch out our thingy. Where is, I need something to open this. Will a pencil work? This is so ghetto. There it goes. So this is her area of toys, and then there's a bin over there with her other toy stuff. But when this year is ending, I'm gonna go through it and donate whatever she doesn't actively play with anymore, because she's outgrowing a lot of stuff. Okay, time to tackle this. Alright, this is much better because y'all know when your kids go to school, you need a whole bunch of medicine. So this is all the medicine stuff. And yeah. So this is just as good as it's gonna get, because it don't need to be really neat. It just needs to be easy and accessible. So yeah. Y'all, I just put up the clothes 2 days ago. Y'all saw that, right? And look, it's already another basket full. And this one too. Adulting is ghetto. It's giving very ghetto. Laundry is ghetto. Like, how does laundry pile up so quickly? Whatever. All this laundry piling up. Like, I literally just 2 days ago, and it's already a basket and a half, and it doesn't even include my daughter's clothes. And there's towels and sheets that needs to be washed, and the throw blankets from the living room. I literally just washed. My wig back on. I had to take it out because my scalp was so itchy, and I realized I never greased my scalp, so that's why I had to take it out. But I'm gonna restyle it again so I can look like somebody again, look like somebody mom.